lesiyenzile namhlanje yokuthi siyawa reject lama results we-IEC. Sithi ningalwi. We have bafuna silo labantu laba. They are trying everything possible to make us ukuthi si react ngeviolence. Sithi stand down. Ningakwazi sibambile information sibabambile labantu siyazi ukwenzakalani siphethe yonke evidence. So it's informed by something that esiyenzile namhlanje. Sinzwile, si-actile, kodwa ke yekeleni thina le ndaba sithile nayo. Yeah, ninga-react ile lesifunguyisho ukufuna ukuthini mina comrade.
High discipline, high moral. So we don't want any form of violence, any plans of any unrest. Just not allow it to have some form of traction, because nalabanye abantu abangafuna ukusibona siphumelela can plant poster, agitate you guys and think are members of MK that are pushing that agenda. Members of MK are disciplined. This remain calm, and communication will come in due course. The president will address us at the right time. The way it is to allow the process to unfold and allow leadership to handle it. So on top of it, we will receive information and communication as and when the time is right. But for now, comrades, remain calm, stand down. Any form of violence, not in our name. They want us to play there, and we're not going to do that. High discipline, high moral.
Security. President Zuma is going to address us, and that's the only command that we will adhere to.
Yeah, and I think it's important to also note that today is the 1st of June, 1 a.m. So it's literally an hour after the interview that you will see live by the leadership. So it is a legitimate video, it is real, it is current, it is today. So no one must ever say that this video was created any other time. Yep. Amandla.